Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a bounce sort of effect to on your videos in CapCut PC. So super simple. You're just going to be adding keyframes for this. So actually I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm just going to add a keyframe here and go like around 2 to 3 or even 4 keyframes, and then move the position up and then add in other keyframes like between those. I mean, just keep on like adding keyframes so there's like a bounce to it. So keep on adding the position keyframe and keep on moving the video up and down like so. I'm just going to put it down and then again put it up. 1 2 3 4 down. 1 2 3 4 up. 1 2 3 4 down, something like that, and it should look something like this. And as you can see, there is a bounce effect to your video. So just keep on adding keyframes and moving this up and down. Again, make sure you have zoomed in into the video and you've already added the keyframe in position. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!